How to log into Snapchat Web without phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Snapchat account without your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and then go to snapchat.com. Then this will take you to the login portal from where you need to first enter the username or the email in the first field. Then click on next. Then enter the correct one with your password in the second field. Again, click on Next. For additional security, you will need to verify your identity by opening the Snapchat app on your mobile device, or you have to simply just input the code that has been sent to the mobile number associated with your Snapchat account. But as I am teaching you guys on logging into your Snapchat account without your phone, simply open a new tab and go to and enter bluestacks.com. Hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of BlueStacks, from where you need to first download the BlueStacks in your computer, and then after download Snapchat over there and log into your Snapchat account easily. So this was all about it. This is how you can log in into your Snapchat account without your phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.